Hello guys, please don't forget to like, follow, and share. Sa YouTube channel namin naman, paki-subscribe. Nandiyan ang picture sa screen. Guys, today's topic is all about skull and the source of information galing sa google.com. Alam naman natin ang Google, very informative and very knowledgeable. Guys, skull. Skull. Skull consists of 22 bones, 10 most adult specimens, and these bones come together via cranial sutures. Now, the function of the skull is both structurally supportive and protective. The skull will harden and fuse through development to protect its inner content, the cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, and orbits. Now, what is skull called? The skull is made up of cranial bones. Cranial bones refers to bones that surround and protect the brain, and facial bones. Bones that form the eye socket, those cheek, jaws, and other parts of the face. An opening of the face of the skull is where the spinal cord connects to the brain, also called cranium. What is the thickest part of the skull? Conclusion: the thickest area of the skull is the parasagittal posterior parietal area in male skull, and the posterior parietal area midway between the sagittal and superior temporal line in female skull. Though skull size increase with age, the nastoid thickness increased from a minimum of 17 mm to around 34 mm, and the ocal width increased from 105 mm to around 146 mm as the age increased from 6 months to 20 years. At the age of around 20, both the mastoid thickness and skull meet reach the plateau, and thereafter with a very little growth. Why is the skull so hard and strong? Unlike most bone in your body, your skull doesn't have bone marrow. This makes the skull very strong and difficult to break. Now, what is the weakest part of the skull? The pterion is a craniometric point at the point where the greater wing of the sphenoid bone, the parietal bone, and the frontal bone meet. Now, what is the strongest part of the skull? Your mandible or jaw bone is the largest or the strongest bone in your face. It holds your lower teeth in place and you move it to chew your food. What do skulls protect? The brain, of course. The skulls protect the brain. And what are three types of skull? Based on corporal analysis, skulls are commonly categorized into three basic groups, which is number 1, European, number 2, Asian, number 3, African. That's according to Gaggle, June 25, 2018. There you go guys, the skull. Hopefully, nakatulong to kahit na basic information lang. Lalo na sa ating mga estudyante. Goodbye. Take care always.